you will witness firsthand the immediate and swift consequences of karma.
This was Officer, sorry, what's your name and badge number? Sorry? Good, I'm gonna get to know it very well. You'll be listed in the lawsuit. Who else? Please give your...
Today, let's take a closer look at the first notable case involving Sergeant Scott Bertzik. On January 1, simply because he bent down to look for a lighter, Sergeant Scott Bertzik caused an accident by rear-ending another vehicle. Shortly afterward, Officer Brooke Shutterly arrived at the scene and was stunned to realize that the person who caused the crash was her own boss. How would this situation be handled?
Yeah, reached out for my lighter, slammed into his ass.
Cool.
No, not really.
Not really.
No.
You didn't want to do an information
So he
exchange?
does. Now I found it.
Okay.
Internal phone calls quickly raised suspicions of favoritism as signs of intoxication were initially overlooked. However, when another supervisor was dispatched to the scene, Bertzik was officially detained, and with the body camera still recording, any justification for covering up the incident was effectively shut down.
Couple options with this. It's really cut and dry, so if you want to just go through insurance, you can. If you want a full-fledged report, we can do that. However you want to go about it. So a couple things. One, do you mind giving me like a couple feet? One, because I like personal space, and two, because cigarette smoke, it tears me up a little bit. Give me just, like I said, it'll probably take me about 15-20 minutes, and then I'll get that done for you, okay? No, we don't take pictures of it, because crashes are civil. Yeah, whenever we do any kind of crash reports or anything, unless there's a DUI involved or, you know, like a hit and run or something, a criminal aspect, we don't usually take photos. Thank you. You know I don't need that. Should hypothetically auto-populate. Give me a second, because I'm going to call Priester and see if he needs me to do anything special since it's one of us.
Yep.
So, give me a minute. Sorry, Birdie.
Bertzik failed the field sobriety tests miserably and was arrested shortly thereafter. Although there was initial consideration to show leniency, he was ultimately handcuffed at his own request in front of the victims.
Birdie, you giving me some indicators?
Oh.
Listen.
Woman.
Listen. Valdez is coming out just to... I'm not going to lie to you about it.
She's on her way?
Yeah, she's on her way. Because I'm not really comfortable with this whole thing at all, but I'm not going to lie to you about it.
Oh, no. I don't mean to put you in that Yep.
Yeah. So, from now on, you know how it goes. You can't consume anything, okay? Because right now, you're being detained.
Wait, what?
Holding on to you because I have a supervisor coming to see if I need to do a full-fledged DUI investigation or not. So please don't make my life difficult.
I would never do that to you.
Okay. I'm very uncomfortable right now.
And I apologize for putting you in that position.
Okay.
One?
Yes. Yes, I am. And I'm going to remain on.
Fair enough.
The case concluded with a severe sentence. The bad cop was fined nearly $1,000, ordered to perform community service, had his license suspended for 6 months, and now faces civil litigation.
You may begin the test. Begin the exercise. You can stop.
Perfect.
Around to your driver's side.
Yeah.
There you go.
Listen to me.
Put 'em on.
I'm not gonna cuff you.
Oh, yes, you are, because they're watching.
No.
Yes, you are. They're watching.
Okay.
We'll cuff you over by my car.
Yes, you will.
Yes.
They're watching.
Yes.
As for Officer Brooke Shutterly, she appeared to attempt to conceal her boss's misconduct by lying and misleading the victims. Instead of reporting the incident truthfully, she repeatedly apologized to the offender, who was her superior, under 18 U.S.C. Section 1001, knowingly providing false statements, deceptive information, or concealing material facts in any matter within the jurisdiction of the United States government constitutes a federal offense, even if no formal legal proceeding is underway. This statute is commonly used in cases involving cover-ups or lying to investigators. Her conduct received a score of just 2 out of 10. As for the individual who caused the accident, despite being a police officer, he drove while intoxicated, showed disregard for the crash, and without body camera footage, the incident could very easily have been swept under the rug. A police officer charged with DUI and multiple related offenses after causing an accident while intoxicated may face fines, several months in jail, or even termination. Like the video if you believe he does not deserve to be a police officer and should receive the worst possible score of 1.
Before you make a mistake, No, before you. All right, I understand you're going to talk to me in a minute, but there's something you should look at first before you start trying to make unlawful orders.
I'm not making anything. I just said I'll talk to you in a minute. Just wait outside. That's what I'm asking.
I'm gonna politely decline your request. Politely.
Stop following me. Just wait, because I need to talk to them.
You can talk to whoever you'd like. Hey, sir. So I just want to show you something over here really quick. No, it's inside. It's inside what I need to show you. What I need to show you is inside, sir.
If you're showing me a video, which is what you're trying to float it.
No. I'm trying to show you the rules and regulations governing the post office conduct, sir. That's what I'm trying to do. As a law enforcement officer.
Come here and talk to me.
Yeah, I'm going to show it to you. No, sir. You're being very unreasonable. You're being very.
I'm not unreasonable. I'm asking you.
I'm trying to show you
and I
what.
said I'll be happy to look at that. Come here and
So
talk
so look at it then. That's all I'm asking you.
I said I will go and look at that.
Okay.
Come here and talk to me and tell me what's going on.
You can talk to me right here. I don't know what else to tell you, or you can get a supervisor out here for me.
Okay.
You don't give me orders. That's not how this works here.
No. If you have no legitimate purpose for being here,
I do, and you don't want to look at it. That's your problem.
your
I want to
purpose?
speak to a supervisor
What's
at this
your purpose
point.
for being here?
At this point, I'm trying to show it to you. I'm trying to show you my
Show me
purpose.
something, but I'm asking you. Tell me. Verbalize why you want.
I'm trying to show you something. Issue is that you don't want to look at federal law that I'm trying to show you, which would explain my purpose here. You're being very stubborn, and you don't want to look at the federal law that I'm going to show you.
I'm asking you to tell me what your purpose is.
Since you're being stubborn and don't want to look at it, I would like to speak to a supervisor.
Okay. First,
And I'm sure your supervisor will educate you on exactly what I'm doing here. This is what I'm doing. These are the rules and regulations governing the conduct on postal property, which I don't even know if you have jurisdiction here in the first place. But right here, photographs for news, advertising, commercial purposes, right there. So that's what I'm doing.
Photograph for what purpose? Commercial purposes? You're not. Are you? What you're doing?
I'm
what?
photographing for news and commercial purposes.
So,
both of them.
okay, so you have your journalist papers because you do need that. If you're telling me you're a journalist, you actually have to provide that.
Really?
Yes, you do.
That's.
Yes, if you're saying you're a journalist, then
officer,
you're an actual journalist.
Yeah, officer, I don't have to prove to you anything about me being a journalist.
Well, you can't just come in.
And this is, yes, I can.
No.
This is federal law right there.
I'd be happy to get a supervisor, but you're not staying in the building.
Yeah, yes, I am. This is a. Can I get your name and badge number, please?
Sure, Rogers, 6543. And your name?
I'm not gonna give it. Somebody should explain to this officer what's going on here before he gets himself into any kind of legal trouble. Nothing, just filming in the post office, gathering content for a story.
It's a nice day.
It is a nice. It's always a nice day to exercise your rights, sir. Always. Fair enough, right? Being, very cordial. Thank you. Like I said, I'm sure you guys got my name somewhere on like a bulletin, but you won't find it. You're not gonna find anything that's gonna say warrant for my arrest, because all I do is exercise my rights. So I'm gonna be recommending your sergeant to put you in some more de-escalation training, officer. Yeah, because
Get your name though. For some reason, they refused to give me that information.
yeah, it's protected under the 4th Amendment. There you go.
Well, actually, I'm here for a legitimate call.
So what does that mean?
I'm allowed to ask for information.
You are, and and you know what I am? You're just escalating it. You're threatening me.
I'm not threatening anything.
Yes, you are.
I'm not threatening anything.
You're saying that, oh, something's gonna happen where you're gonna have to give me your name. Come on, man. Your supervisor's gonna come down here and give a good talking to you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you. Okay. And I will be filing a complaint. Okay. Just to make sure, since you're over here investigating something, I'm not being detained, am I? Okay, great. Smart move. There you go.
I want to know what your side is, but I also want to talk to him and get his side.
Yeah.
He doesn't want to talk on tape. I don't care if I talk on tape. It doesn't bother me.
Yeah.
As you can see.
Uh-huh.
But I want you separated. You didn't want to do that. So now
because I'm a free man. I can do whatever I'd like.
you're not understanding. I got calls here. I need to find out why I'm here. How do I do that? I want to talk to you separately. I want to talk to him separately. He doesn't want to speak on camera. I can't make him speak on camera. You refuse to leave while I'm standing there. So how do I talk to you when you refuse to talk to me and he refuses to talk to me?
Hey, Sarge, can I talk to you for a second? Let him know, Sergeant. Let him know, Sergeant. There you go. Bye. Take care. Hey, bye. De-escalation. It works wonders. Take care now. Sergeant came, dismissed everybody. Look at them. 1 car, 2 cars, 3 cars. Sergeant wouldn't even talk to me. That's because, guys, I am from Suffolk County, and the higher-ups know.
The incident occurred when officers noticed something unusual in the driver's seat while the vehicle was still running. However, the groggy state and disjointed answers about what he was doing and where he was exposed a situation that was clearly not normal.
Hey, buddy. Hey, are you okay?
Order 41098. Yes, sir.
Are you at home?
No, sir. I'm working off duty.
You're working off duty? Where are you working at, buddy?
I'm working at the, Hurt.
Buddy, are you all right, man? Where are you at?
Yes, sir. I'm at the Hurt Bridge.
You're seated in the driver's seat with the vehicle running, and so there's some concerns about your sobriety. So all I'm going to do is just take a few minutes with you and make sure that you're not too impaired to operate a motor vehicle.
A strong odor of alcohol was quickly detected, and Zachary was escorted into a tent for further testing to avoid drawing attention. There, he failed the tests one by one. His contradictory statements about alcohol consumption further confirmed his intoxicated condition.
I just have a couple quick questions for you, and then what I want to do is, because you're dressed like this and I don't want to draw any additional attention to the situation, we're just going to walk over to where that tent is and have some things. Before we do anything else, if you don't mind, will you pull your zipper up? I don't want anything to come out or cause further embarrassment. Or you can take your hands out of your pockets too, I apologize. Are you a diabetic? Are you epileptic? Do you have any medical conditions which mimic you being impaired by alcohol and or drugs? No? Okay. Do you have any physical defects or injuries that I need to be concerned about? No? Well, I tell you what, let's walk over there now. I'd feel better than standing out here. Do you have on any secondary weapons or anything? No, sir. Because this is essentially a DUI investigation, just like anything else, we're just moving you here for privacy. I'm going to advise you of your constitutional rights ahead of time. Doesn't mean you're under arrest, just simply means I want to ask you questions concerning how much you've had to drink, when you last drank, those type of things to help evaluate your sobriety. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to read you your rights in advance. If at the end of the investigation you're not impaired, you're free to go, no harm, no foul. Likewise, if you were impaired, then you understand where I'm coming from, okay? Just to start, all I want to do is check your eyes. If you'll stand with your feet together, your heels and toes touching, bring your toes together just like I'm standing, if you will. Leave your hands down by your side, just remain in that position, and I'll explain what I want you to do. Do you feel like you're following it okay? Yes, sir. You do? Okay. Look up here, right where that gray thing is. Keep looking at it. Try and stay as still as you can. I know you're moving around quite a bit. Try and stay still. take and place your right foot in front of your left foot where your heel touches your toe. Place your hands down by your side. Remain in that position. Do not begin. Go back. Place your left foot on the line. Just follow the instructions one by one, please. Put your right foot in front of your left foot where your heel touches your toe. So left foot on the line. Right foot, heel to toe. Hands down by your side. Remain in that position. Alright, let me fix you again because you're not in the right position. Put your left foot directly on the line. Hands down by your side. Remain in that position. Do not begin or do anything else until I instruct you to do so. Do you understand? Sure. When I ask you to, I'm going to have you take a series of 9 heel-to-toe steps down this line. When I say heel-to-toe, your heel and toe are going to touch each time with no space in between, just like we're standing now. Back up the line. While you're walking, go ahead and get back in that position for me. While you're walking, you keep your hands down by your side. You're going to look at your feet. You're going to count the steps out loud so I can hear you. The position we're in now is not a step. When the back leg comes around, it's going to be 1. I'm going to demonstrate it for you, okay? This is what it should look and sound like. You stay in that position. 1, 2, 3, and so on until you get to 9. When you get to your 9th step, keep the front foot on the line, use the back foot to take a series of 6 steps, turn around, we're ready. Stop there because I don't want to see you fall. Let's have an honest conversation right now. How much did you have to drink?
I drank last night.
Okay. Let's have an honest conversation about what you drank last night. What time did you start drinking last night? Stop drinking. AM?
No, 7 p.m. Not 7 a.m.
So you drank whatever you consumed last night between 6 p.m. and 7 p.m.?
Yeah.
In that 1 hour in which you did consume alcohol, how much did you have? How much could, on your best day, how much could you drink in an hour? Well, let's make it easy. What were you drinking? Let's start with that. You have no idea. Vodka, beer, rum, Jaeger, all of them. I mean, where were you drinking at? Let's do that. Home? At a bar? Okay, that's good. Drinking at home. I'm sorry. Taking your dog, eating dinner, taking your dog out, okay? Anything else? Did you pass out? You're not comfortable, but other than that, how do you feel physically?
A bit nervous, but...
Okay. You would agree, have you been trained on DUI investigations? I assume because you're certified. How do you feel like you did on that? If the roles were reversed and you were standing here evaluating me...
Besides the one leg, I don't think I did very well on the one leg, but...
Okay. But you felt like you did good on the walk and turn? Okay. That's a fair question. based upon, do you have children? Based on your condition right now, would you feel comfortable putting your family in the car and driving, say, to Disney? Therein lies a problem, I'm not gonna lie. That should be an automatic yes if you are way too impaired to be operating a motor vehicle. So we're gonna have to place you under arrest for driving under the influence today. What I'm gonna ask you to do to keep from causing any more problems, I'm gonna ask you to remove your shirt and vest and just set it right here on this table for me, okay? I'm going to take these and set these right here. If you will, just place your hands behind your back for me.
A decisive question was raised. Would Zachary dare to drive his family to Disney in this condition? He was arrested for DUI and required to remove his police uniform, shirt, and body armor before being handcuffed. The case concluded with a shocking figure: a blood alcohol concentration of 0.3%, nearly 4 times the legal limit, prompting Zachary to resign on the same day and later serve a 1-year probation sentence. Title 23, U.S.C. Section 164 is a provision within Title 23, Highways, Federal Highway Law, that encourages states to enact and enforce laws addressing driving while intoxicated or driving under the influence. The purpose of this statute is to require states to establish minimum penalties for drunk driving offenses and to enforce those laws in order to avoid losing federal highway safety funding. We believe this is a textbook example of bad cop behavior, and therefore there is no justification for this officer receiving anything other than a score of 1 out of 10. This heated confrontation began when the cameraman argued with the police, demanding their names and badge numbers, while warning of potential legal action.
Recording you is against the law. Did you hear that, guys? This was Officer, sorry, what's your name and badge number? Sorry?
David Laird.
Good, I'm gonna get to know it very well. You'll be listed in the lawsuit. Who else? Please give your name and badge number. Don't run away, you guys. They're escaping, you guys. They're already starting the cover up. I need everyone's badge. No, if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. I need your name and badge number, sir. I need your name and badge number. I need your name and badge number. I need the sergeant out here. I need the lieutenant out here, or I need the chief of police out here. You guys are not just gonna walk away from this, I'm sorry.
Despite being handcuffed, the cameraman continued to demand names and badge numbers and reiterated his intent to sue. The officers initially evaded the questions, then returned to demand his ID, threatening arrest as he refused and requested a lawyer.
Recording you is against the law. Did you hear that, guys? This was Officer, sorry, what's your name and badge number? Sorry?
David Laird.
Good, I'm gonna get to know it very well. You'll be listed in the lawsuit. Who else? Please give your name and badge number. Don't run away, you guys. They're escaping, you guys. They're already starting the cover up. I need everyone's badge. No, if I'm free to go, I'm free to stay. I need your name and badge number, sir. I need your name and badge number. I need your name and badge number. I need the sergeant out here. I need the lieutenant out here, or I need the chief of police out here. You guys are not just gonna walk away from this, I'm sorry. That officer f***ed up big time. Where is he? Where's he or she? Sir, you look like a sergeant. Can you please come over here and talk to me? They're running away, guys, like a bunch of scared rats, because they know they just stepped in it big time. Now they're just completely ignoring me. You guys are going to pay a lot for this. The city of South Padre Island is going to have to pay for this. Who's coming out to talk to me? coming out to talk to me? They're all trying to ignore me, you guys. They're all trying to ignore me. They know they just stepped in it big time. Who's coming out to talk to me, sir? Who's coming out to talk to me?
I don't know, man. I just got here.
Okay, well, you just got here. Now you're in it too. Name and badge number. You should have stopped that officer. I warned him. I warned him that he was.
Yeah.
That's your badge number? Who's coming out to talk to me? Okay, guys, there it is. South Padre Island Police. They've all scattered like a bunch of scared rats because they know that they stepped in it big time. I was grabbed. I was roughed up. Okay. And I had handcuffs thrown on me. And now they've all scattered. I'm going to go live.
I'm sorry. No, you're trespassing right now. That's why I'm asking you what you're doing.
Trespassing on public property that I paid for?
Yes.
Can I have your name badge number, please?
Yes, you can. Find out who you are. Okay. So what is it you're doing back here?
Hey, guys.
Your phone is perfectly fine.
Hey,
and
guys,
it's on still. See that?
go ahead and call.
Step over here. We're talking to you. So step over here and tell us what you're doing back here. This is private property, and that's why we're asking you.
How can a police department be private property?
You have an ID with you.
How can a police department be
You have an ID with you, sir.
Ma'am, did you turn my phone off?
You got a.
That's a violation of my First Amendment.
What's your full name and date of birth?
Supervisor?
What's your full name and date of birth?
Can I please talk to a supervisor?
What's your full name and date of birth?
You guys are working on getting a lawsuit. Can you
So
please-
listen, you're fixing to be arrested for failure to ID if you don't identify yourself.
That's a secondary charge. What's the
Do you
primary
understand?
charge? What's the
Do
primary
you
charge?
understand?
What's the primary charge, sir?
What is your name and date of birth?
Sir, what's the primary charge?
You are being detained right
I'm not
now.
going to answer anything. If I'm detained, then I don't have to talk to you. I like my lawyers, please.
Thank you.
And if I'm not detained, I'm free.
What is your name and date of birth then?
Like my attorney.
Shut him down. Make sure he's having a weapon. He's back here walking by the units recording. Yeah. So he's just detained right now. I'll put him loose. I don't mind, but. Huh?
Yeah, he's one of those. Really?
Yeah.
The situation abruptly shifted when a supervisor realized that the detained individual was an auditor, prompting the officers to immediately change their attitude and remove the handcuffs, releasing him. Unable to articulate any basis for reasonable suspicion, they retreated back into the station. The incident ended with a legal victory for the cameraman.
Go now?
Yeah, we'll let you go. Let's
Appreciate
take him and walk him over
Can
there.
you please make sure my phone is still on? If you turn off my phone, I'll be filing a lawsuit against you for violating my First Amendment rights. That phone
Let's
is
take him
my
over.
record.
Cuffs up.
Can I please get my phone first? I want my phone to record this.
What do you need?
That is my
I said
official
let's
record.
walk him
Cannot
over.
interfere with my First Amendment rights. Please bring my phone back.
I don't know who that was.
Ma'am? Please record them taking my handcuffs off. You're gonna calm down next time?
Oh, I'm very calm.
You ran up and grabbed me, threw handcuffs on me for a First Amendment.
I don't know what you're back here for.
You just got yourself in a world.
Go ahead.
You don't need to know what I'm back here for. What did I do, sir? What was your reasonable, articulable suspicion that I had committed a crime, was about to commit a crime, or had just committed a crime?
You're standing
What was
around
it?
walking back to recording us and our
Oh,
unit.
so that's against the law? Recording you is against the law. Did you hear that, guys? This was Officer, sorry, what's your name and badge number?
David Laird.
Sorry?
David Laird.
Good, I'm gonna get to know it very well.
Okay.
You'll be listed in the lawsuit.
You have that card for that other one?
It's up there in the front.
Yeah.
I need everyone's badge. I need every
So we need fences back here. You have your card or the card? No, they're waiting over here so I can get them.
Did you take the picture?
I got the footage.
From the outset, Officer David Lear approached the situation using force, clearly demonstrating a significant level of arrogance. Police interference with filming, the act of grabbing the camera and turning off the phone, constitute unlawful censorship, prior restraint, and violations of freedom of speech. Handcuffing the cameraman solely for standing and filming, a lawful activity without any evidence of a crime, constitutes false arrest and unlawful detention. The officers in the video acted emotionally and with a lack of legal understanding, resulting in serious violations of the U.S. Constitution and providing a strong legal basis for the citizen to file suit and prevail in a civil damages claim. For this reason, we believe he deserves only 2 points out of 10.